Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be covering how to get your business phone number listed in the 411 Business Directory Assistance. Why this is important is because when you're trying to build business credit, a lot of these vendors and companies that you're trying to get lines of credit and credit cards with, they manually check this information out and see if your business is listed with directories, online, and with 401 Directory Assistance. So that's why it's very important that if you're a new business or already existing business, that you make sure that you're listed with these websites and with the 411 Directory Assistance for business. So if you have a voice over IP or cell phone that you're using and not a traditional landline, then you want to make sure you watch this video because you want to make sure you get your business phone number listed with business directory assistance and on the local business citation directories, because believe it or not, like I said, a lot of companies that you're trying to get credit from, especially the ones that give high limits, they're going to be manually checking this information out. The credit departments will. So before I get into that, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I teach you how to build business credit, and starting on my other channel, I'm teaching you how to fix your personal credit and grow your personal credit. So you don't want to miss out on that. I'll have all the links in the description below, but please smash that like button if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe and turn that bell notification on. Without further ado, let's get into it. So don't assume when you get a business phone number, whether it be a business cell phone or a landline or a business voice over IP, don't assume that your business is listed in the directory assistance or any directories online as well. Most of the time you have to do it yourself. Submit the information yourself. So what you want to do is go to either your local phone service, if you're using, say, Verizon, AT&T, Comcast, whoever it may be, call the customer service business department and ask them how you get listed in the business 411 directory assistance. Some of them may charge a fee, some of them may do it for free, add you in there, or they may already have you in there. But you want to double check about that with whatever carrier you're with. But if you say have a voice over IP, like the last video I recorded, business VoIP phone service like Mighty Call or Nextivia, whoever it may be, Grasshopper or whatever, you're going to have to manually get yourself listed with the 401 directory assistance. So this is the easiest way to do it. You go to listyourself.net and you're going to see this different information here, but what you want to do is select the individual, personal, or business listings. Create your free directory listing. So you click that. Well, let me go back real quick and explain something like this website says, and this is the only one that's out there for free, and they have contract with a lot of 90% of the carriers out there. So like their website says, listyourself.net is designed to help you or your business get your phone number listed in the 411 phone directory assistance. For millions of people picking up the phone, calling directory assistant remains their preferred way to find and connect with others, whether they are looking for a number of a local restaurant or seeking a plumber or searching the closest branch of a national chain. Their first inclination is to dial 411. That may sound outdated because a lot of people just Google things, but I'm going to cover that as well. But anyways, you still want to be listed your business with directory assistance. So let's see here. You click more info, and then what it's going to do is you fill out this information here, put your phone number, select business, put your company name, and then your category, find the appropriate category, and put what's your primary reason to list. You want to put down that I want my business to be found by current customers. Whatever applies, but you could just put whatever one applies. Make sure you put your correct address, the same address that you have listed with the Secretary of State and the IRS for your LLC or your corporation, because you want everything to cross-reference and match when the credit departments are manually reviewing your business. You want everything to match. Then put your city, state, and your email address. It's best to put your email address if it's listed, say your business website like Josh at vanhornmarketing.com. You don't want to use a generic Yahoo or Outlook or Gmail, preferably. And then validation of the telephone number to be listed. It'll say call me with a spoken code. Call me, but I have auto attendant. So what you want to do is just put down call me with a spoken code, and then when you do that, when you hit add listing, they're going to call you, and it's going to be like an automated system, and they're going to call you with a code and to confirm the phone number. You're going to put that code in, and then the listing's going to be confirmed. They do try to upsell you for other business listings and stuff, but you don't really need to do that, because I'm going to show you how to do those quickly for free. The next thing you want to do after you got yourself listed in listyourself.net is go over to Google and search Google My Business. And you can see here how mine comes up right away. It says manage these business profiles. These are ones that I can manage because I created these, and you can see they're verified. So that's basically like this right here where it says you manage this business. It's going to have that badge. So you're going to be able to create all this, put your information. This is super important because when Quell, Uline, Citibank, any of the business vendors that are going to be offering you a line of credit, if you don't have a strong business credit reports with Experian, Dun and Bradstreet, then they're going to sometimes either just flat out deny you, or they're going to the credit department will manually look you up and, do some research on you. I know Uline does this. Uline definitely does this. If they don't auto-approve you, they will search online about your business and make a decision if they're going to approve you or not. So you want to make sure everything matches, the address, phone number, all that matches with what you have with the Secretary of State, the IRS, and all of your online citations, the directory listings. But I would say that Google My Business is the single-handedly most important one to be listed. Excuse me. So make sure you do that. Like I said, I'll have all the links in the description. Next, you want to go over to bingplaces.com. So it says help customers find your business on their devices. Add your business to Bing and get found whenever customers search. So if you're an existing user, or you can hit new user, you probably are a new user, so click new user, get started to claim your business. It's going to ask you for all your information and logos, website, all that information. So you definitely want to do that because people still use Bing. Not everybody uses Google. And then the other important one is Yelp. So you go to biz.yelp.com//business/new. You're going to put your business information in here. Business name, city, state, zip code, category. Select your category and your business phone number, website, street address, email, continue. And that's going to have you verify everything. And then you can add pictures of your logo and stuff like that. So you want to do that as well. And then you don't have to do this, but more the better. Just Google Facebook business page, Facebook local listing, and this page will come up, and it'll show you how to create a single basic page on Facebook where you put in also your business information, just to create a simple page on Facebook. Why all this is important, like I said, when you're trying to get business credit and you don't have enough, say, trade lines reporting, I guarantee you some of these vendors are manually reviewing your presence online. So if they Google your name, your business name, and they see all these different listings that come up on, Google, they're going to feel more comfortable about giving you credit versus if they're searching your name on Google and nothing's coming up, then that's kind of a red flag for credit departments. So you want to make sure everything matches as well. Okay? And there's services out there that will do a lot of this for you, but these main ones I would personally just do yourself. They don't take too long. You can knock it all probably out in 1 hour or less. You can search also here. This is a data aggregator. You can submit your local listing with them, and then they feed it out to a lot of the directories like Yellow Pages and eLocal, FindLocal.com, all those sites. So you're just going to search your business name or your business phone number, and it's going to come up, and it may say that they can't find you, and then it's going to give you an option to add your listing. Some of them like this will try to upsell you. Don't even pay them at all. It's not necessary. Just do the free version. But all these other ones are free, like List Yourself with the directory assistance. That's free. It takes about a week or so to get listed with directory assistance using this site. Google My Business, you can pretty much do that right away, and then they're going to send you a postcard in the mail to confirm your address. It's going to be a 4 to 6 digit PIN, and that usually is done within a week. You'll get that postcard. If you're using a virtual address or virtual office, then they will probably scan it, and then you can just input it right into there, and then you can have that listing come up right on Google, just like I did here with this one with my company. Bing listing, similar thing. Yelp, Facebook, you can do all those. Knock them all out. I can't stress to you guys enough how important having an online presence for your business is. If you're a bank or a credit company, willing to extend, offer net 30 terms or revolving terms, you're going to look up the company that you're going to be giving terms to, not just a credit profile like Dun and Bradstreet or Experian. Believe it or not, like I said, a lot of them, the underwriters, they will look at this information and do a little quick search on Google for you. So you want to be able to come up on there. And not just one listing. You want to be able to come up on multiple websites like I said, Yelp, Bing Places. You can even do one with Apple as well, Facebook. There's tons of them. I made another video about that before, about your online presence for your business. But this one was mainly for if you have using a cell phone or a voice over IP business phone service. This is the way to go, because all this data getting aggregated all together at one time is going to populate, and all the big companies, phone carriers, they share information and data, and it's going to get populated into 90% of all the different directory assistance carriers out there. Okay, so I hope I covered everything for you guys on this one. Stay tuned if you're watching this right now, March 1st. Stay tuned. I'll be doing a live stream here in a couple hours, okay? So, again, if you like this video, please smash that thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow when you smash the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please can't talk today. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification on. Okay, thank you guys. Take care. See you soon. Bye.